Hello, welcome to another Unreal Engine tutorial. So in this video, we're going to see how to add a health bar to the enemy and our play character. So first we'll create a widget for this health bar. So we'll go into the UI folder. I will add a new folder called health bar. So here right click, user interface, widget blueprint. So add a widget blueprint, WB player HP. Will open. So first of all, we need to take a canvas. So here we can take this canvas here and drag into this. And now what we'll do is we will add a progress bar. So drag into this canvas. So we need to, let's say, suppose if I want to show this health bar in this right side. So what I will do is I will select this thing and here like Control Shift left click so that directly it will move towards this corner here. So Control Shift left click. Now it has been moved. So we will adjust this position and size. So let's say on this X direction a little bit and in the Y direction. And I will increase the size to like up to like 350 or something. And if you want decrease the width in the Y to 20. So now this is okay. So here you can see there is an option like a percentage. So if you can increase and decrease this percentage, and if you want to like change the color, here you can see fill the color and opacity. So let's say if I change it to like red color or orange color, let's say I will give the value to like give the color to red. And now defaultly the percentage like defaultly the health value should be like 1. So literally according to our code we can decrease this thing. And now if you see here the percentage is it's in the like the value is between like 0 and 1. So the player health is like 0 to 100. So we need to calculate according to this thing. I will show this. So first of all what we need to do is we need to click on this bind. Here you can see this icon. So click on this and create binding. So here what we need to do is we need to bring the health value to this progress bar. So as we have created the health value in this character blueprint, so we need to get those reference. So what we'll do is we'll cache this player into this progress bar. So let's say cache to BP underscore survival. So this one, and here get player character, and now we need to get that value which we have created. So get health. So here, and here what the thing is, don't directly connect to this return value. As I said, we are using the value of like 0 to 100 in this player. So here the progress bar it's using only from 0 to 1. So we need to divide it by 100. So we need to divide by 100, and now we will connect to this return value. So now we will see before that we need to add this widget into our player character. So it need to show the play health bar here, because when we play, so now the health bar is not visible. So what we need to do is like on the event begin play. So here, so we'll add a sequence node for this thing. So just like S left click so that it will add the sequence. So here we will create a node called create widget blueprint. So here, and we'll search for player health bar and add to viewport. So select this. We'll comment player HP like HP health bar. And now we'll see first of all play. So now the player health is 100% now. So see, now it's working perfectly. So here same thing, we need to add it to our like enemy character here. So first we'll open the enemy character blueprint. So here we are in the enemy character blueprint. And before that, first we need to duplicate. So widget, Control D, and this is enemy health bar. So what we need to do is we need to add this widget into our enemy character blueprint here. So we'll go to this, add, to type like widget. So here you can see the widget, and we'll go into the viewport. And this widget we can make it like health bar. So we need to select the widget over right side in the details panel. So widget class, so enemy health bar. So now it has been added. And first of all, we need to make some changes in this widget here. So if I go to this enemy, so I want this progress bar should be in the center. So what I will do is, and also we'll name this properly, health bar. Okay, health bar. So I will control shift left click so that it will be in the center. So size, if you want, you can increase and decrease, so it's up to you. So what we need to do is just we need to remove the binding. So we will use this health bar in the blueprint itself. So what I will do is just I will remove the binding here. So select this and remove binding. So I will go to like enemy health bar, and now you can see it has been added. So we can change the position of this thing, and if you want you can decrease the size. So let's say make it 0.6 or something, like 0.3, what it depends. So I will make 0.4 and just I will place over here. Okay, so now if you like see here, and if I go, you can see the health bar. Okay, so still it is not working because we didn't add any code. So what we'll do is, first of all we will add a code, and also the health bar it's not looking towards the player, so we'll fix that. So what we need to do is we need to go to this event graph, and we will make it comments fire, and also this pants and sing. So what I will do is just I will drag this thing here. So we need to cast get the like, what we say, like cast this towards the widget. So we'll get a widget. So here we need to cast that widget which we are going to use. This is a widget we are going to use this cast to wb underscore enemy health bar. So we need to select this thing. So here the player like enemy health bar should update continuously. So here what I will do is I will take event tick and just will connect to this cast. And now we need to get this progress bar, like health bar. So if you go to this enemy widget here, we have to get this value, the health bar progress bar. So what we need to do is just we will get health bar, and here we need to set the percentage. So set percent. So make sure we need to select this function, not the value here. So select this and connect here. And now we need to set the percentage here. So this is the health of this enemy, and we need to divide it by 100. As I said, the progress bar is from 0 to 1, so we need to divide it by 100, and we need to connect these two in percentage here. So now we will check this thing. So if I go to this thing, okay, so now it's working. Only the thing is we need to fix the rotation. So the health bar need to rotate towards the like camera here, like the player camera. So we need to fix that. So for that what I will do is just we will get this widget. So the health bar widget here, and set world rotation. So type set world rotation. And now what we need to do is get the actor rotation. This is actor, so get actor location. So from this we need to take a node like find look at. And now what the thing is, this health bar should look to the player camera here. So what we can do is we need to get player camera manager. So this is a target, get actor location. So we have to get the location of this camera, and we need to connect this to target here. And now simple, we need to connect this to new rotation and the percentage to this thing. So it has to run continuously. So we have connected it to event. So we'll just place properly. So that's it. Now we can see. So now see, continuously you can see the health bar, and now if I shoot, it's been increased. Yes. So now it's working perfectly. So now we have added the health bar for player and enemy characters. So in the next video, we'll see how to create the detection meter for the enemy. So whenever the detection meter fills, then only the player will the enemy will shoot the player. So see you in the next video.